This stove can cook food very fast using stones. You don't need to buy charcoal or fuel, you just use stones. Wow, this is gonna save a lot of your money. These are stones this stove is using. They are volcanic rocks. If you don't know them, let me explain. Volcanic rocks are got from volcanic mountains. Volcanic mountains are mountains that are formed as a result of volcanic activities on the Earth's surface. Beneath the Earth crust, there is magma, which erupts out as lava through the cracks of the Earth's surface. This cools down repeatedly to form volcanic mountains. This process is called volcanicity. But in schools, they stop here because they don't want you to know this. They can't teach you the details as how you can use that mountain in your daily life or even getting money. They tell you mountains helps in the formation of relief rainfall, which you're not going to sell anywhere. But there are many things you can get in mountains, like this one I'm gonna show you, that is going to save a lot of your money. What we have to do in Africa, we have to share information to help our fellows. Because technology is not taught in schools, technology is transferred from one person to another. Now you've been wasting a lot of money buying charcoal and fuel. Let me save you. You can save almost 90% of your money while cooking on these volcanic stones.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my love.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic, eco stoves in Uganda, specifically those powered by volcanic rocks. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Let me show you what you don't know about Uganda.
Hello Paul, this is Eco Stove Uganda Limited. We have eco stoves, the stoves that uses volcanic rocks instead of charcoal for cooking. The rocks are reusable, and then the stove has two options whereby you can run the fan using electricity or you run the fan using the solar system. And then the solar comes with an advantage whereby the battery is inbuilt in a way that you have a radio, MP3, and then you can charge your phone, and then we light your home. Free installation, and then the stove is smoke free, keeps your kitchen clean because there's no soot, and then it cooks half an hour. Any ordinary or a gas stove cooks.
Wow, that's nice. Nestled in the heart of East Africa, Uganda is the home of breathtaking volcanic mountains such as Mountain Elgon, Mountain Muhavura, and Mountain Mufumbiro. But on Mountain Mufumbiro is where we get these volcanic rocks. After a mountain erupts its magma through its vents to Earth's surface, it solidifies to make a rock. So the rock is blasted and disintegrated into small pieces such that they can fit in these stoves. But that's not the interesting part. These rocks can burn with a blue flame and can cook food in a few minutes using this charcoal stove. It's called Eco Stove and manufactured from Uganda.
I wish I knew.
They are volcanic rocks. So when you're buying, we give you for a period of 2 years. So it is after 2 years that you can come back and buy, or if you have access that you can go to Kisoro, it's where you can get the volcanic rocks from there.
How many sacks that can take you for 2 years?
Okay, when you're buying a single stove, we give you 3 packets. So since
just to see these small packets.
Yeah, 3 of them.
3 of them can take me for 2 years.
For 2 years, because one packet you reuse it for like 10 months. So when you put it in a stove, it takes like 5 to 7 months when you're reusing the same rocks.
Wow, that's so wonderful. These rocks can burn very well and has no soot. They have much heat and cook in a few minutes. Unfortunately, they'll never tell you this in schools about volcanic mountains besides relief rainfall. And they will never tell you about any mineral under those mountains or what to do with that mineral. The bad thing is, they consume all your precious time in life. By the time you get out of school, it's hard to think about production. And if you do, you feel like you can't. You feel like it's a wastage of time. Oh, wake up.
Because this is Bobo, this is by Uganda, Build Uganda. The innovation was introduced by a lady, she's a Ugandan, and then yeah, all the products are produced from Uganda. So Mount Muhavura is also in Uganda. So
yeah,
this is complete Ugandan.
Congratulations, ladies. You have
Thank
got a
you.
solution. Bye-bye charcoal. So we are going to save our trees.
Yeah, we are
and conserve
conserving the environment.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
In these picturesque surroundings, innovative minds have come together to create eco stove that utilize volcanic rocks as sustainable energy source. These eco stoves tap into the abundant volcanic rocks found in the region, providing a clean and efficient cooking solution. The rocks are heated, generating a consistent and eco-friendly heat source for cooking. What makes these stoves even more impressive is the integration of solar panels. A smaller solar panel is attached to the stove, powering a built-in fan that enhances combustion efficiency. Plus, it comes with a bonus: you can use it to charge your phones. Not only are these eco stoves environmentally friendly, but also bring numerous benefits to local communities. They reduce reliance on traditional fuel sources, improve air quality, and contribute to a healthier and more sustainable way of life. Try no more, say bye-bye to charcoal. These stones can help you light your stove more than charcoal.
Where do we get this?
I don't know. The stones? They're from Kisoro.
On this, and again this at the same time you use this.
And so the electricity is just to give oxygen for the rocks to breathe. Now these ones, they don't burn. They only heat up.
Where can we find you?
We are along Wakaliga Road, opposite the wall fence of Lubiri Secondary, and then we also have a branch in Bukoto that is opposite Middle East Restaurant, and in other districts we also have eco stoves as well.
Okay. What's the price of one single stove?
Okay, eco stove starts from 450 and it goes on because we have single, we have double, we have combi whereby you have stoves on top and then there's an oven down. It also has a single combi, there's double combi. We do commercial, customized, and all that.
Wow, this is really a good innovation. Where do we get those rocks? If they get over, where can I get the rocks? Those rocks.
Okay, you can.
Should I climb that mountain and they dig
No.
my own? Yeah.
No, you can call us on 0776 920 729.
729.
That is the M10 line, and then the Airtel is 0702 920 729.
Wow.
So we also have social media accounts, that is Facebook, Instagram, X. Oh, yeah, these days it's X, right? Yeah, we have X, IG, and then Facebook. So the number, the M10 number, the Airtel numbers, they're all on WhatsApp. So you can get us at Eco Stoves Uganda in all the social media platforms. For our website, it is also, it's www.ecostoves.org. Yeah, org.
Yeah, the innovation is really awesome.
Thank
so,
you.
Yeah, that's true. Thank you so much for the information.
You're welcome.
See you again.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
And there you have it. Eco stoves in Uganda harnessing the power of volcanic rocks to create a sustainable and a clean cooking solution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. You can go ahead and watch more videos from this channel. If you do, may God bless you with your best desire of 2024. Stay safe. Bye bye.
I wish